Let me ask Mishkar sir.
It's a very short assignment with only like 4 questions.
That
Basic term and thermodynamic process.
oh, not that one. Today is organic chemistry, na?
Sir, you're
ये तो
talking about
बिल्कुल
the homework you got, right?
हाँ homework for organic chemistry, but
We didn't get any homework for organic chemistry.
not you did not get. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So we ended up with the functional group, na? Okay, fine. We need to do some more questions on functional group, and we can start. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not Saturday. Let us do just 3 more questions on functional group identification, and after that we can move forward. Okay, so please write. I am not talking anything. I'm not talking. You just have to answer these things. You have to identify the suffix, but you have to write. Sorry, you have to identify the functional group and write the suffix in chat. Okay. Reba, try for the third one once again. What about other guys? Rishan, Najib, Sara, Surat. Sara, can you please turn the mic on?
Yes, sir.
You just have to identify the functional group. You know how
Yeah.
you have to answer? Yes, sir. Anna?
Okay.
You have to write the suffix. Okay, you just have to write the suffix and write the suffix. Please look at your notes, okay? Please look at your notes. Don't answer without looking at your notes. Correct. No, Reba, try again. Try again. What about others, huh? Surat, नहीं हो रहा अब क्या आपसे? Yes, Surat.
Sir, actually, I haven't attended the previous class of yours.
And you haven't watched the lecture also?
No, sir, not yet.
तो नहीं आएगा आपको, है ना? फिर तो आप रहिए ऐसे ही. This is your punishment. Okay? Next time you take care. Also,
Okay.
because this is 1 hour class only, na, I can't explain everything. What was done. And basically, it is not explanation only. It is just one list of functional group. Do you have NCERT?
Yes, sir.
Can you open that organic chemistry, some basic concepts and techniques?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please open that. And let me think. I don't remember actually what the page number is. So let me also check this. Some basic concepts and techniques. And in that, you will be having the page number is somewhere. It is there, but the priority is not there now. Okay. Did you open the book, Surat?
Yes, sir.
Page number is 345.
Yes, sir.
I hope
got
it.
it. Yes, sir.
You got it now? Okay, listen. Now with a pencil, please start writing a few numbers, okay? On the left side of, in carboxylic acid, you write 1. Okay? Done?
Yes, sir.
Next, on sulfonic acid, you write 2.
Yes, sir.
Then what is there? Then esters, you write. In esters, you write 3.
Yes, sir.
Next, on acyl halide, you write 4.
Done, sir.
Next is amide. Next number to amide, okay? And after amide, okay, DE, not NE. They are very close together. Amide, okay, done.
Hmm.
Then on nitrile, done.
Yes, sir.
After that, aldehyde.
Yes, sir.
Then on ketone.
Yes, sir.
Then on alcohol, done.
Yes, sir.
And after that, go to the end. You will get amine there. A-M-I-N-E.
Yes,
A-M-I-N-E.
yes,
Done.
sir.
10.
Hmm.
10 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen. Now listen. So now you look at the book and tell me. You look at the book and tell me what is the functional group. Can you see here in the first question?
So aldehyde.
But when you see aldehyde, you will say it is al. What will you say?
Al.
Similarly, say what will be the answer for the second one. Tell me.
Alcohol.
नहीं इस तरह से ना आप you will answer me like this in the suffix. Tell me.
All.
All, very good. Acha. Now only you have to see only the ones which I have numbered, okay? Which I have numbered. One thing that you will see now that the one, okay, you will understand it later, but now just remember that you have to look at only those which I have numbered. Now, if you will see this particular structure, the third one, this NH2 is also one of those which I have numbered, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And there is also one more functional group, which is the ketone, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, which is higher in rank? Kiska rank zyada hai? Who is the topper here between NH2 and carbon CO?
Ketone.
Ketone, na? Then this particular molecule will have the functional group ON. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this one question is for you. Please tell me the answer, okay? Let me- Tell me what will be the suffix for this molecule?
Oic acid.
Oic acid, very good. Oic acid. Fine. Chalo. Wait a second. Now write the topic unsaturation. This is the second one. Unsaturation. Okay. Now each whatever term I am teaching you guys in this particular area, that is IUPAC nomenclature, they will have slightly different meaning and slightly different use than the particular, than the specific unsaturation word. Since unsaturation means that the presence of double bond, right? Presence of double bond. So you just remember it in a certain way, and in IUPAC nomenclature, it will mean a bit different. Okay, it will be not like some completely different, but a bit different. So it tells about the presence of single, double, or triple bonds. Okay, single, double, or triple bonds. So how you have to check this? See, if double bond is present, wait a second, double bond are represented by Double bond are represented by En. Only E and N, not E and E. Okay, only En. Triple bond are represented by Yn. Okay, but if no double bond or triple bond is present, then An is used. Then An is used. Okay, please write these points. Let me know if you have written these points. Then guys, done. Okay. So before that, now tell me about this particular molecule. What will be the functional group? You don't have to write. Just look at this and tell me. Yes. Here. Oh, come on fast, guys. It's not a trick. It's not a trick. Ol. Yeah, ol, not alcohol. Ol, right? Now, if there are two ols present, then you will just write diol. Fine. This di represents two, and ol represents the functional group. Got it?
Yes, sir.
If there was one more OH, then you would have written triol. Correct? Anna? Okay. So that is the numbering part here. And similar type of numbering will also be used in the unsaturation. Okay. Numbering in the sense that represents the number of double bond or triple bond. For example, so this will have An, right? But if I have a double bond in between here, this will be what? En. Now these dash, now this small dash, this means that there are some things which will be coming in front of An, and there will be something which will be coming after An. But if I have two double bonds, then the name will be di-en. Okay, di-en. But if I have, now why I'm drawing this as a planar, as a linear structure, it is just because you have studied in structure of atom, not structure of atom, in the chapter chemical bonding and molecular structure, that there are three bonds. That means this will be sp hybridized, this will also be sp hybridized, and sp hybridized are linear, right? Yeah. So sp hybridized structures are linear in shape. You have seen ethine molecule pehle bhi. Okay, so this will be what? Yn. Fine. But if I have something like this, let us say, okay, so here we will have di-E, okay, and then we will have Yn. Right. Now one more example, please write. This will be in I. Okay. Now the placement of en is before or yn is before, it's just very easy. If whenever you have a doubt in placement, just remember the alphabetical order. Okay. In IUPAC nomenclature, if ever wherever you will face this problem of whether I should put en first or in first or different function, different substituent first, just go with the alphabetical order. So this will be E9. This will be diene. Okay. I hope you have given a lot of examples here. Now it's your turn. Please write this fast. Done, guys?
Done. Answer.
Okay. Okay. What about others? I'm not getting answer from Muhammad Sheikh, Najib. Najib? Najib?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You did this one? Yes or no? You did not send me answer. Or same thing with Muhammad Sheikh also. Muhammad Sheikh also did not send me any answer. Rishan also did not send me any answer. Rehab also. You guys are following me, right? Muhammad Sheikh and Najib.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about Muhammad Umar? Muhammad Umar, you have went silent. I don't know why. Okay. So do these. Send me the answers, okay? Yes, send me the answer. Who has done? No one. Najib, are you done? Yes, Najib.
Not yet, sir.
Which one? Did you do this one? 5.12?
I'm trying, sir.
You're trying? Wait a second. Najib, can you please turn the mic on?
Yes, sir.
You have not done this one? Keep the mic on, please, Najib.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Did you do this one? 5.12?
Not yet, sir.
No. So tell me, what do you see? Do you see a double bond, triple bond, single bond? What do you see here?
I see a double bond, sir.
You see a double bond. Please now read the unsaturation point now. What should be written if you have a double bond? Yes, Najib. What should be written if you have a double bond? Yes, Najib.
The EN.
That's it. What were you trying in this? I'm not asking you to write the name now. I'm not asking you to write the name. I'm just telling you to identify what? Just identify the unsaturation. Mohammed Sheikh, tell me for the 5.13, what will be the answer? Yes, Mohammed Sheikh. And Reba, I'm looking at your answers, okay? Yes, Mohammed Sheikh. Can you please turn the mic on at least?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, in the 5.13, what do you see? A double bond, triple bond, or a single bond? What do you see? Do you see any double bond or triple bond? First tell me that. 5.13.
Triple I.
Triple bond, you're seeing triple bond now? You are not even confident about that? Yes, Mohammed Sheikh.
Yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. हम attendance ले रहे हैं क्या? ये yes, sir, yes, sir क्यों लगा के रखा है आप लोगों ने? I'm asking a few things ना. I'm asking you, what do you see? A double bond or a triple bond? Or you don't see any of those?
Triple, sir.
Triple bond. So now read the unsaturation point and tell me what should be written if you have a triple bond. Triple bonds are represented by dash. Tell me. Najib, tell me.
Sir, YN.
Okay, now Umar Abdullah, turn the mic on. Okay, so I have got from Surat, Sara, and okay, Surat, I'm looking at your answers. Okay, you don't have to send me twice or thrice. Okay, and I have got from Reba also. Okay. Okay, so I think Umar is also not here. Rehab, can you please turn the mic on? Yes, Rehab, can you please turn the mic on? Okay, Rehab is not here. Muhammad Umar. Okay. Same with Rishan also, no? Rishan is also not giving me any answers. Okay. So Umar Abdullah, you're not present? No. And same with Rehab also. No? Rehab is also not here, it seems. These guys have sometimes internet issues, but I don't know whether it is true or not right now. Okay, no, you're not here. Can you please turn the mic on? Now let me check the answers for, okay. I'm checking the answer for Surat, okay. Surat, correct. 1.4 is correct. 1.5 is correct. 1.6 is also correct. Acha, 1.7 you don't know? Okay. Sarah, okay. And I try, E and IN, correct. And okay, Surat has not written E.
So I'm
Okay.
you.
Pending. Okay, Reba, just look at the last one. Okay, so we have how many? First of all, you will look for the double bond because it starts from what? En. Okay, So that di, tri, na, this di, tri, these are numbers. They don't represent the unsaturation. So you don't have to worry about the alphabetical order. First of all, you have to see ens. Where are the ens? So en, you will see, okay, one en is there, and then you will write di, I, y. Okay, en, di, then for this will be di, en, because there are two double bonds. Here there will be tri, en. Here there will be tri, en. Any doubts, guys? Let me know if you have any doubt.
No, sir.
No doubt, right? Okay. So please copy this fast. Then we will move to the next. That is unsaturation. After unsaturation, we have parent chain. Done?
Yes,
Irfan
sir.
is coming now. I think Irfan is in which batch? Yes. Hello, Irfan.
Good evening,
Yes,
sir.
Irfan. Good evening. Good evening. When does your class starts?
7:30, right?
7:30.
Yes, sir.
7:30 to 9:30.
Yes, sir.
So you have a bit of time, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, write the parent. Okay. This is the third part. Parent. Now, parent has, there are two different parts to parent. Parent chain. Parent chain, it is also known as root. It is also known as main chain. It is also known as the skeleton. It has various names. But what we need to study is, we need to study two things regarding parent. The first one is how to name the parent. Okay, please listen very carefully. How to name a parent. Okay. Then the next is how to choose a parent. How to choose a parent. How to choose a parent, and then how to name a parent. Now, first we will start with how to choose a chain or how to choose a parent. How to choose a parent. Right, the first thing, the only thing that you have to remember is that it should be as long as possible. What does this mean? That means you have to start from terminal. You have to go terminal to terminal. Okay, terminal to terminal. Terminal to terminal. It should be as long as possible. Now, in this, you have to just make sure whenever you are choosing a parent, you have to make sure, this is most important point here, but make sure, yeah, most important point, make sure it contains number one, functional group. If functional group is not there, then it should be having double bond. Now, even if double bond is not there, then there should be a triple bond in that chain. Now, if triple bond is not there, then if there is no functional group, comma, double bond, comma, triple bond, then go for the longest one. Okay, then go for the longest one. Write these points. Let me know if you're done, okay?
Done, sir.
Sir, please wait.
Okay, sure. Just let me know and I will scroll up, okay? Don't worry. But please write, okay, guys? Please write. Whenever you have to choose a parent, you will always look for functional group that is from the list, okay? From one of those 10. Please remember that, not any functional group, one of the 10. That means whenever you are going to choose a parent, you have to see and you have to check the first of all things.
Second.
Yes. Tell me, what did you say?
Sir, could you please scroll up for a second?
Scroll up. Okay, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all of you done? Is there anyone who is still writing? No. Okay. Now tell me here, which is the function? Sorry, which is the? You can see different chains, right? 1, 2, and 3. Here, tell me which is the correct choice for the parent chain, 1, 2, or 3. In the chat, please. Be fast, okay? Try to be fast here. You have to just choose 1, 2, or 3. Najib, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
You have written the points?
Yes, the upper points, right, sir?
Yeah. You understood
Yeah.
the points? You understood the points?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so please try to apply that. Who is singing in your house? Huh? I'm sorry
Sir,
if it
it's
is
my
not.
small brother.
What is he doing? He's imitating Hamish Reshamia, it seems. Is he? Okay, Surat. Okay, Sara. सूरत आपने IUPAC nomenclature पहले किया हुआ है ना? Yes, Surat. You have done IUPAC nomenclature before?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Same. Sara, you also? Sara.
They did teach us in the school, but I'm not that good at it.
Okay. What about you, Reba?
Sir, I've done it.
You have done it in school. Okay, I've got only from the girls. What about Najib? Najib, look at the points. We have a few points there. And then you have these questions. There are options also. You have to just choose what is correct. Surat, Sara, please make sure that your answer agrees with what points we have written. Okay. Please make sure of that. Okay, Najib, what do you think?
Sir, is the third one?
Why?
Since it's longer.
What is the first thing that I have said? Can you read the first line?
It should be as long as possible. Terminal
Okay.
to terminal.
And then, but make sure
But
that,
make sure it contains functional group.
what is the functional
double.
group here? What is the functional group here?
Is OH.
This OH is in which carbon? This carbon, na?
Yes, sir.
Is it in the main, is it in the chain? Is that carbon in
No,
the
sir.
chain? Then is this right?
No.
Okay. So I hope everyone understood this. Why this one is not correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So please, those who have learned in their school, the teacher there or wherever you have learned this organic chemistry, IUPAC nomenclature, the teacher, they would have emphasized on this point that you have to choose the longest chain, longest chain, longest chain. Please remember that is an exception if you don't have functional group and you don't have double bonds or triple bonds. That is an exceptional case if you have to choose the longest chain. What is the rule? The rule is that you have to look for the functional group, and the chain which is containing the functional group, that will be your parent chain. If there is some divergence and you are getting, for example, here, let us see how would you choose these chains now. You will start like this. OH. Fine. Then first of all, what you will do, you will start with the carbon atom, which is nearest to the functional group. You start from here. You went here, okay? And you saw that you can either go leftwards or downwards. Then you will see whether there is a double bond or no double bond. You see that, okay, fine, downwards I have a double bond. Then you will include both the carbons of the double bond. Now this will be your carbon chain, okay? So see, there were 6 carbon chain options. There were 5 carbon chain options, but the correct one is 4 carbon chain option, okay? So please remember that the longest chain is not the rule. The longest chain which contains functional group, double bond, triple bond, that is the rule. All of you understood, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Najib. So let us do one more question, okay? Najib, you will help me. Okay, fine. Now what I am going to do, I'm going to name the terminals, okay? See, this carbon atom here does not have any carbon atom after it. That means this is a terminal. So I will name this terminal as A. This is another terminal B. This is another terminal C. This is another terminal D. You understand what is a terminal now, Najib? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, where should I start from? Which terminal? A, B, C. Okay, first of all, tell me what is the functional group here. Can you see any functional group? Can you see any functional group?
Yes, sir. It's COH.
You don't remember the name? Oic acid. Very good. You remember the name. Oic acid. Okay, this is the first thing that you will write, oic acid. Okay, what is this? This is functional group. Now tell me, what is the unsaturation? What is the unsaturation here? Can you see a double bond, triple bond? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In.
What about tell me, that is En. Na? Now comes the parent. So now since you have a functional group, Najib, can you answer me? Where should I start from? A, B, C, or D?
From A, sir.
From A, okay. You will go and you will stop at the junction. Now you tell me whether I should go rightwards or leftwards. Which side should I go? You understand? Right and left. Now this is right. This is left. Tell me, Najib, where should I go?
Left.
Left, okay. Now again, I am at a junction. Now tell me, where should I go? Up or down? Up or left? Where should I go?
We go up.
Why we are going up? Because there is a double bond, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. 5 carbon. And the name will be, the parent's name will be pent, okay? It will be pent, not pentane, not pentan, not pento, not nothing. Pent, okay? Now, I'm giving you another example where you have a cyclic ring. You have a cyclic ring like this, and there is a, let us say, OH group here. Now you don't need to include anything like here because what can I say? If you are choosing, then this will be your parent chain. And this is obviously going to include what? Your functional group here, that is OL. Right? And let me also highlight this whole part because we have also considered that in the name. We have not considered NH2, but we will think about NH2 and whatever is remaining after the parent chain in the later part. So functional group is, now I hope you all can see how we are building up the name, right? The functional group is OL, unsat is AN, and the parent will be, whenever you have a ring, what you have to do, this is 6 carbon with a ring. So for ring, you have to add the word cyclo, and then you will just add what is for 6 carbon, hex. For 6 carbon, we have the word hex, which represents the parent chain, which has 6 carbons. Now, if you have 5 carbons and there is a ring like this, and let us say OH. So here also, no, let us do some different functional group here. Let us write NH2. Then you will start with the functional group is amine. Whenever you have IUPAC nomenclature, this will be the order. Then you will write the unsat, that is the unsaturation will be. Let us draw a double bond here. This is En. And what will be the parent? Now tell me what will be the parent, guys? This is a 5 carbon, right? 5 carbon. And there is also a ring. This is a ring of 5 carbon. So for ring, what is the word? What is the word for ring? Cyclo, very good. And for 5 carbon?
Pent.
Pent, easy. Okay, fine. One thing that I want to ask is, can you see the name building up slowly?
Yes.
Yes or no? And those who have done IUPAC nomenclature, okay, fine. Now, this method is very useful. Why? Because you will not have any type of confusion where I have to start from. You have to start from functional group, then you will look at the unsaturation, then the parent. And for the choice of parent, you have to know the functional group and the unsaturation. Okay, for the choice of parent. That is why functional group is taken first, then unsaturation. Then we learn about parent chain. Okay. Now, please copy this, and I will give you a set of questions. Okay. So let me see if you guys can do this, then only I will give you further more questions. Okay. I hope you guys have written that, the earlier ones. Tell me for this one, then I will give you more questions. No? Yes? Anything?
Sir, can you scroll up?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah, sure. Muhammad Umar, what has happened? Huh? Why are you not speaking? Muhammad Umar is just like silent. Yes?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Muhammad Umar, let me know if you're done. Now you can try these. Please remember the hierarchy. If you have a choice, you will choose the double bond rather than the triple bond, okay? In the parent chain. Please remember the hierarchy. Functional group, double bond, then triple bond. a second, I need to reshare things. So this hash sign, it means number, okay? Hash means number of carbons, number of carbons. And here I will write the name, the parent, whatever you say. The parent, if you have that number of carbon atom. If you have one carbon atom, then the parent is named as meth. If you have one carbon atom, it is named as meth. If you have two, it will be named as eth. If you have three, that will be prop. 4 is named as bute. If you have 5, it is named as pent, as we have seen. If you have 6, then hex. 7 is what? Hept. 8 is oct. 9 is
None.
non. And what about 10?
Deck.
Dec or deca?
Deca.
Nahin, dec.
Sir,
Yes. Sorry, my mic was off. Yeah, you guys, can you please send me the answers, huh? Reba, Sara, Surat.
So we have to write the three things and send it.
No, you just name the and tell me. Okay, fine. Where should I start from? Tell me, what is the functional group?
Phone.
Oic acid.
Oh,
Oic acid. Okay. Then where should I start from? Acha, oic acid, and what is the ye? Unsat? Unsat is?
EN, sir.
ये कौन बोला?
diene,